Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I plan on having a super cozy and relaxing sewing day, so I thought I'd bring you along with me and film a really cute sew with me video. It's a really grey and drizzly day outside, which are some of my most favourite days to spend the day sewing. I just find it so cozy and relaxing, and even though it is drizzly, it's actually summer here in Australia, and I have planned to make some new dresses to add to my wardrobe that are just going to be perfect to wear during the warmer months. If you've watched my summer sewing plans video, then you'll know that I really want to add some comfortable and oversized dresses to my wardrobe. I'm even going to try and see if I can make these dresses without putting a zip in. I just want them to be super easy to just throw on and perfect for like everyday wear. So the plan is today to make 3 dresses in one day. I'm not sure if it's actually going to be possible or not, but I figured if I kind of make a little production line of the making process, then it might actually work out to be quite a quick dress to make. Who knows, we'll have to wait and see, but let me show you the fabrics I plan to make these beautiful oversized dresses out of. Here are the fabrics that I plan to work with today. The first one here is this beautiful gingham linen fabric that I purchased from the fabric store. It has such a beautiful feel to it, and I've gone for the color Bone, which is just this lovely beige color, which I just think is going to be such a great addition to my wardrobe. The next one here is this beautiful double cloth cotton that I picked up from Spotlight. Again, this has just got such a beautiful texture and feel, and because it's cotton, it's just going to be such a lovely and breathable kind of fabric for summer, which is just so nice. And the last fabric I hope to make one of these dresses out of is this beautiful vintage bedsheet with the most lovely retro floral print on it. I actually picked this one up from a thrift store a couple weeks ago, and I'm very excited to make this into a dress. I just think it's going to be such a beautiful summer dress, and I'm so excited to see how it will turn out. So to make this style of dress, I have cut out my Rosery dress pattern. I actually showed how to kind of pattern hack the Rosery dress pattern to make a oversized dress. It was actually to make this dress here, which is exactly the kind of style I'm going for. This one has an amazing dramatic opening at the back, which I absolutely love. But for this style of dress that I want to make today, I just want to have it as simple as possible. So I'm going to skip the beautiful opening at the back today and just keep it kind of really simple. So what I did was I cut the pattern pieces out in my size, but instead of cutting it just like size 8 straight down, I've decided to enlarge the waist to a size 14. So this will give me a little bit of extra room in the waist to be able to just throw it over the top of my head instead of having a zip. And then I just did the same for the front bodice piece as well. So first things first, I'm going to cut out all the pieces out of the 3 fabrics. Take a look at how beautiful this bedsheet is. It's such a simple design, but I just think it's so pretty. So like I said, I'm gonna try and make these dresses in kind of like a production line. So make all 3 at the same time, just to speed up the process a little bit, hopefully. So I'm gonna start with the bodices of each of the dresses, and I will check in with you once they're done. Okay, so the bodices are coming along very nicely. I have just run into a bit of an issue that I hadn't thought about. And because I'm not putting a zip in the back, I do need this opening to be able to go over my head. And I think it's going to be a little bit small as it is. So what I'm going to do is actually stitch a little bit of elastic into the side and then create kind of like a little keyhole detail. So I'll be able to open that up a little bit extra to be able to pop it over my head. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to stitch the back of the bodices shut, and also while I'm at it, stitch a bit of elastic in, and then I'll just pop a little button on the other side to be able to close it. And the bodices are complete. Well, apart from putting the little button in the back to be able to close the keyhole detail there, but I'm going to take a break now for lunch, and then it will be time to attach the skirts. So I thought I'd quickly try the bodice on just to make sure it actually can fit over my head, and good news, it does. But how cute is this looking? I actually think it would make a really nice top, this pattern as well. So I definitely have to keep that in mind for another time. But I'm just so happy with how this is looking, and I'm about to attach quite midi length skirts. So I think that's just gonna look so nice. And the dresses are done. Just look how beautiful the three of those dresses look together. I'm so happy with how they've turned out. I still need to stitch the little button at the back on each of these, but I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. I've had a good over 6-hour day of sewing today, and I definitely need a break. So I will be back tomorrow to finish off the final touches of these dresses, and then I'll try them on and show you how they look. So it's the next morning, and I'm quickly going to finish off these dresses by sewing the little button onto the back. It's actually pretty cool that I've been able to add 3 really beautiful dresses to my wardrobe in the space of 24 hours. I can't say I recommend attempting to sew 3 dresses in the one day. It was a lot of sewing, but creating a kind of production line of the making process did speed up the whole process so much, and I would not have been able to make 3 dresses if I hadn't have done that. And I really wanted to make these dresses quickly as it's summer here now, and I want to make the most of being able to wear them. So I'm going to quickly sew those little buttons into the back to finish off the keyhole detail, and then it will be time to try them on so you can see. So here's what the back looks like. It's just this tiny little opening. It's hardly anything, but it's just enough to be able to get my head in through the neck hole there so I can not have a zip in the back. So I just put a little bit of elastic folded in half in one side, and then I'm going to attach a button to the other so it can kind of latch onto that. Okay, so here is the first dress. I'm so happy with how it looks on. It's like perfectly oversized and comfortable, and it like hardly touches your body, which is really nice and super, super comfortable. This one is made from the double cloth cotton, and I just think it's made such a nice dress. The texture of the fabric is just so lovely, and I also really love the color of this one too. It's completely different to anything I've kind of got in my wardrobe, so that's really nice. Dress number 2. How pretty is this fabric? I'm so in love with this dress as well. It's just something so like different and unique and unlike anything anyone else is ever gonna have, which I love. And the vintage bedsheet is just so lovely. And it really does have like this beautiful soft quality to it that you don't get with new fabrics, which I really, really love. And dress number 3. I think this one's my favorite of the 3. I just love this gingham linen so much. It's such beautiful fabric, and it's just so light and flowy to wear, and I just think it's made such a beautiful dress. Again, I love the oversized fit of it. It's just so, so comfortable, and I cannot wait to wear this one all summer long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which of these 3 dresses is your favorite. I'm just so obsessed with this oversized style of dress, and I just know I'm gonna get so much wear out of these dresses during summer. They're literally just gonna be my everyday go-to outfit, and I'm just really excited to wear them. If you enjoyed this video, then I would love it if you could give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a lovely day, and thanks for watching.